Hey beautiful souls, creolenaturelle here. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you would like to see how I achieve this super defined curly tuck and roll updo, then please go ahead and keep on watching. To start the process, I am going to cleanse my hair with the main choices Exotic Kool-Aid, Minty Guava, and Kiwi shampoo. After I've done that, I'm going to rinse out my hair and apply the Exotic Kool-Aid hair mask for about 30 minutes and then rinse that out. After rinsing out my hair, I'm going to use a cotton t-shirt to dry my hair thoroughly and then apply the Exotic Kool-Aid papaya and pineapple conditioner, and I'm going to use this as a leave-in. To achieve the most twist definition, you'll want to apply the Exotic Kool-Aid Definition Jello to air-dried hair. So here I'm just applying that to my hair strands, and I'm going to detangle that and begin forming my two-strand twist. Altogether, I have about 13 twists in my hair, which I am going to sit under a hooded dryer for an hour and 30 minutes until all of the products have completely dried. To prevent frizz and to add shine to my hair, I am going to apply the Exotic Kool-Aid Melted Shine Oil before unraveling my twist. To begin the hairstyling process for our final look, I'm just going to tuck away some of the twist that's in the front of my hair. And for the section that's remaining in the back, I'm just going to use my Afro pick to fluff out my hair just a little bit so that I can get some volume. Here, I'm just going back in with that definition jello to lay down my edges before moving on to the back. For the back of your hair, you'll want to work in two sections. So pretty much all you're doing is that you're bringing your hair upwards and you're just tucking and rolling and securing that with a bobby pin. I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other side. I'm just going to bring my hair upwards in a tuck and roll motion and secure that with some bobby pins. Feel free to use as many bobby pins as you need according to your hair type and thickness. To complete the style, I am just going to go ahead and unravel those twists that I had sectioned off in the front of my hair some more until I create this sort of defined twist out bang, and I'm using bobby pins and hairpins to pin down my twists until I get the desired shape that I want. And that pretty much completes the style, guys. All products used from the Exotic Kool-Aid collection by The Main Choice will be listed in the description box, so do make sure to check that out. Thank you all so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram, creolenaturelle. Until the next time, peace and light.